Hi, I'm Sandeep Sharma from Magnum Opus International, and today we are here to show you our 3-dish metallography semi-automatic digital display machine. We are revealing it for the first time on video. We have never made a video for this machine previously. In this video, other than the normal installation things, I wanted to discuss why our machine is superior to the other available machines in the market. So there are certain features. Let us start from the look. You can see the overall size, the dimension, the look, the aesthetics is far better than the other available machines in the market. Second thing, as far as the feature is concerned, we are giving the detachable power cable system here. The reason for that is, if there is any power failure at your end, it is very easy to switch off. Please switch off that, and then you can remove this power cable very fast. So the whole machine, if there is some water logging or some other problem, you can immediately detach the power cable. So detachable power cable, and that also we are giving 3 to 5 meter in length, which is commandable. Nobody else is giving it in the market. Second thing, power safety is second one of the biggest concern that we have from the customer point of view. So what we have done is, we have separately constructed this part, the input power section part here. So what we are doing is, once I open these 4 screws, I have direct access to the power input, and I can immediately remove and change the thing if there is any problem. Because this machine that is available in the market is one single fiber body machine, so you will not find this type of detachable input power section. Second thing is, if you want to access the motor or the inner electrical part, this back panel is also removable. You can remove this panel. Third thing is, if you see other manufacturers' machine, it is open from the bottom. See, you can show it from the bottom. What we have done is, for the cooling, the air passage, we have kept this distancing, and then we have used this panel. Again, in the panel on the motor side, we have ventilator holes. They are the natural fans for cooling this machine. Again, these are very small things but very important and key features. Can you please come and show it here? See, we have ventilator windows at the back panel also. There are 3 motors, so we have 3 ventilator windows with 4 open section in each window. So this is for the maximum cooling. Your drive that is used in this machine will not get heated and burn out. So from longevity working point of view, this is one of the key features not available in any other machine, right? So that was as far as the cooling of the motor part is concerned. Second, there are machines in the market where you will find only one single motor and all of them are working on the same motor. Here what we have is, we have 3 separate motor units. We have mounted 3 separate delta drives, AC drives for the making variable speed. Now this is the feature which no other person in the market provides you in these type of metallography polishing machine. Third thing is, we have not directly mounted the drive on these machines. See, we have used separate VFD display. There are 2 displays. One is inside on the drive, second is this. So that is again why it is important is, your drive is safe. No dust or those things would go into it from this front panel part. This is a separate drive, separate display, right? Again, people in the market don't provide you these dust covers for your main polishing area, we are providing these things separately. We are providing 3 separate taps with valves. So if there is any problem, you can switch off it from the valve immediately and the water could be stopped immediately. Right? Another feature which is very important, though small, not visible, inside part in all the input water flow we have used brass components all throughout inside. People are using brass, people are using only plastic. Right? Now we have a operational manual, we provide online help, we have installations video. Again, I am just showing you the accessories. See, this is the suction pipe that you give for the input. How you can just check it. You have to just insert it in this, like this. So this will start the water supply to your system. Again, for outlet, you need to have this. This is the flexi pipe for the water drainage. So to drain out, you just have to fix it on this. Right? This is for the demo purpose, so we are removing it. The purpose of showing all these features is basically to confirm that installation of this machine is very easy. It is very easy to operate, easy to use, easy to install. Again, I am doing, once you receive this machine, please connect the power cable. Once it is connected, switch on the machine from the MCB. Once it is on, you will find the light on the front panel. So here it is on all 3. That means the power has come. If I want to start the machine, I have to uncover. With the red run button, I start the machine. And on the front panel, it will show me the RPMs. I can see other different inputs also, like this is the F is frequency, presently is 30.8. Load is 0.4 ampere and RPM is 888. Now how I can increase is with the help of this knob. You can increase the RPM. See, this is how I am increasing. Now it is so it is 1400 RPM. It is showing, right? I reduce it again. After polishing, I have to stop it with the red button. So that is how it is very easy to use. Second good thing that I wanted to show you was, we have displayed it on the front panel, the specification of the machine. So you don't have to search that whether this is a single phase machine or 3-phase machine, what are the parameters, what is the motors that is being used. 0.5 HP motor has been used, 3 motors have been used, that is indicated. All the details are given here. Other than this, if you have any query, you can contact us via email on sandeep@magnumopusinternational.com. Thank you for joining us. Bye.